Her lip kit was meant to be nothing more than a fun hobby, with 5,000 branded lipsticks created for sale. But new mother, Kylie Jenner, now sits atop a globally successful beauty empire and has been declared the richest of all her siblings. Her company is estimated to run at $386 million and is projected to be worth $1 billion by the year 2022. Kylie was interviewed by her mother Kris, for Love, before she gave birth to her first child with Travis Scott on February 1st, and she spoke of her passion for the brand. She said, "I think truly, I put a lot of hard work into this. It's not like I am doing this to make money. I don't even think about that part." Kylie famously went into hiding throughout her pregnancy as she wanted to enjoy the experience in private. And during the interview, she gave an insight into how she was feeling before taking the decision to step out of the public gaze. When asked by Kris if she ever feels pressure, she said, "I know I feel pressure when I go out. Even if it's to go to the grocery store to do an errand." However, she said that she has a long way to go when it comes to building her empire. She said, "Oh, I haven't even dipped my toes in yet. There are so many products that I have yet to do. That will take years." Kylie is perhaps proof that you can have it all. Her sister Kim raked in $10 million in just 4 days, according to TMZ. And the entire advertising campaign was done on social media. Her new fragrance line, Kimoji Hearts, sold out completely on Sunday. The news comes at a particularly celebratory time for Kylie, who welcomed the birth of her first child, a daughter, with her rapper boyfriend Travis Scott. Kylie's first few days of motherhood have been the happiest of her life, an insider told E! News on Monday, after the reality star welcomed a baby girl weighing 8 pounds, 9 ounces. On Thursday at 4:43 p.m. with her boyfriend, rapper Travis Scott.